Welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. As I told you in my last and previous tutorials, we have to make elevation for this package and AC unit. So this plan view already we have drawn in my last tutorial. So if you are still not watched that tutorial, so you go and watch that one. I will give you the link in the description box. Now we will draw this elevation. I will show you. Let me show you. This is the elevation view, and this is the side elevation, and this is the front elevation. This is front elevation. So we will draw these two, side elevation and front elevation, and this is the top elevation. So already drawn this. So we will start today. This I will show you how to draw this elevation, and the same you have to use in the project. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed, and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's start now. So you can see this is the plan view which I have drawn in my last tutorial. So today we are going to draw this side elevation and front elevation. So how to start this? So what you will do, please select this one and click here. You go to this layer and click on this button. So this command is for make current layer. So simply select this to make this layer in current layer. So click here to make the command in current layer. So now simply type Excel to start the construction line. Excel V. Simply click on this point and this point, this corner. Okay, then simply repeat the command and simply click here. Okay, now again repeat the command. Now this time we need horizontal, so type H, enter, and this is the horizontal construction line. Move down. Okay, then you can see at the base of this machine is, you see this is the base. Base of this machine is given here, dimension is 100 mm. So simply offset this 100, offset 100, and the total height of this machine is up to here. You can see here 1484 is given from here to here, 1484. So what you will do, simply offset this one, offset command, shortcut command of offset is O. Simply press O and enter. Simply type 1484, enter, then select this. You can see here in the command bar, select object. So select this one, simply offset, click outside. So 1484 is offset. Now what you will do, after the frame, you can see here this is the 51 and this is the coil. So return here is going through this. So this is the coil. So what you will do, simply offset from here 51 mm. You can see this is the 51. So simply offset, again use the offset command. Now offset is 51. So simply click here and offset. Offset 51, enter, please select this one, offset upside. Now the next dimension is 762. You can see here this is the 762. This is the coil size, evaporator coil. So offset again 762 mm, enter, select the source object, offset, click outside. Now Now you will start from the top. You can see from the top it's given here 38 mm, then 341. So offset from the top 38 down, then next is 341. Offset 341. Click the source subject and click down. Now you can see we already offset. So what you will do now, we have to trim the extra line. So we will trim the extra line. Here select this one and simply trim this. Again here simply select this one. Now trim this line. Now this time again here simply select this one, trim this one, trim this one. Now here double enter, trim this, trim this. Now we will trim this line also. I will show you which one. We will trim this one TR, trim this, this and this. Okay, now T, trim this one. Now again trim, use the trim command, trim this, this. You can see this is the mouthpiece is ready. So now TR again select this one and trim this line. Again use the same command. Okay, so your this much of dimension is ready. So now what you will do, what is the next step? Next what you will do, we have to draw this one. So you can see here this is given from here 914. So we will draw offset the 914. So offset 914 1914. Select this line, offset this side. Okay, now you can see here from this bottom to this fan, top of this condenser fan is given here 1418. So what we will do, simply offset this one, offset 1418, enter, then select the source object, offset upside. Now what we will do, okay, this is the fan offset zone. Now what we will do, simply trim this one and trim also this and trim this line. Now the height of this fan is actually is not given, so you have to consider some heights. We need to consider this, or similar to this one, this 341 plus 38, or 341. This is similar to this line, so we will 341 down. So what we will do, 341 down, 341 plus 38, 379, offset 379 from here. Three 79 from the top, so from here 379. Okay, erase this one and simply extend this. So extend, the shortcut of extend command is EX, enter, and select this line where you want to extend. Now simply trim this. Okay, so what we will do, simply now we have to draw the fan height. So what you will do, simply take Excel command, so construction line vertical, and you can see here this is your fan center point of the fan, and this is the fan width. Simply select this, and now what you will do, simply copy this line CO and simply down this and click anywhere. Now again copy this one inside, copy this one inside, or what we will do, simply offset this, offset 50 mm inside, 50 mm inside, and select this 50 mm inside. Okay, now what we will do, simply use arc first point. Now select this and go to this arc command and start center end. So start 3 point. So this one mid between 2 and this point. Okay, so simply trim this extra line. Now simply select this one, erase this, and again trim this extra line and select this, erase. Simply select this also. Now what you will do, use fillet command, radius is 40. Select this one and select this. You can see this is now in the curve shape. So what we will do, simply mirror this one, mi. So mirror command of shortcut key of mirror command is mi. Enter, select this one from this point to this point. Now what we will do, simply erase this line. Okay, and simply trim this extra line. So we have to trim this extra line. So you can trim this line, and your fan is ready now. Okay, so next is, you can see here, next here you have to use offset. Next offset command is 10 mm and multiple. So simply select this, use multiple, and you can offset inside multiple times, and this time you have to extend this one also. Now use extend command, boundary, again this one be enter for the boundary, and select the boundary, simply enter and select all the object. You can see this your fan is ready. Now you have to offset this one, offset 30 mm is the thickness of the machine, so the double skin, offset inside and 30 mm, and also here offset this side. Okay, so trim this line. Offset here 20 mm, 20 on this one, and again offset 10 mm this side, and now trim this one. Now simply draw the one line center of this, and now draw the rectangle. Rectangle is nothing but this is for the fan blower motor, and simply place it here. Okay, this is the fan blower motor, and now what we will do, take polyline and simply spline, 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 draw the spline. Okay, so your fan is ready now, and now what we will do, simply select this one, and copy this one, and now what we will do, select and explode. So the explode shortcut keys of explode command is X, enter. Now you exploded, and now what we will do, simply copy this arrow. Why we explode this? Just to copy this arrow, because once we try to copy this arrow and selecting this, the whole object is going to be selected. Now we want only to select this arrow, so we need to explode this. So we cannot explode here because this is single object. So once you explode this, then you want to select any one of the component from in this machine. So now we already exploded, so we want to copy this arrow and simply place it here. Okay, so we have placed here, and now simply select this, move little bit this side. Okay, and now what we will do, simply select this one and change the color from this properties and make it this one red. Okay, so next one is this panel. We have to draw the panel. So the dimension of the panel is also not given, so we will draw it freely without a scale. So this panel we have to draw now. Simply take use the construction line. So type XL and vertical. Now what we will do, simply select here and here and here, and take one line like this, and simply copy this one upside. Okay, it is below this fan. Okay, so now what we will do, simply trim this line, trim this one. Offset this one 75. Okay, and erase this one. Simply select and erase. Trim this and this. Okay, then again offset 75, this down, then trim this one, trim and trim. Okay, so your panel is ready now. See the control panel, and now what you see here, this is the ventilation, filtered ventilation. So we have to draw this also. What you will do, simply draw the rectangle here. Simply draw the rectangle, and now take one line like this and draw inclined line Okay, and simply mirror this. Select this one, center point, mirror. Okay, now what we'll do, simply copy this one, remove little bit this side. Okay, now copy this one and select the object, copy, 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 copy and copy. Okay, so this is your ventilation. This is used actually for the ventilation purpose, up and down. So again copy this, copy it down. You can see here this is your control panel and it's ready. And now what we'll do, we have to finish this condenser. This is the condenser coil. So what we will do, simply select one line, take one line from here to here, change the color of this line. We'll change it later. So now what we'll do, simply offset this one 15 mm this side and select this, erase this one and offset otherwise 20 mm. Okay, inside. Now again offset 20 mm, select this one. Now this time we have to offset the multiple. So you can see here in the command bar, for multiple type M and simply click, so you can offset the multiple times. So you can simply click outside anywhere where you want to offset and it will be offset automatically. Okay, so okay, that's enough. So you can see here we have offset already. Now what we will do, simply take one line from this point up to here to this point, and now again taking one line from here this point up to this point. Now what we'll do, simply trim this. So use TR and select this line and this line, and now what we'll do, simply enter and trim this extra line. Just select this, so it will be trim automatically. Now what we will do, simply select this and erase this. You can see here this is the condenser coil is ready now. So you have, what we will do, simply select this one and change the color as a red. Because of condenser coil, this outside air is entering through this coil, so it should be red. And now match this also. Okay, so match command, the shortcut keys of match command is MA. Simply type MA and press enter, then select the source object and select the destination object. So you can see here this is your condenser coil and it's ready now. So next is you have to draw this compressor. We need to draw the compressor also. So for compressor, simply use rectangle command. So REC, simply draw one rectangle here. Simply copy this one. Actually there are two compressors, so simply copy this. And now simply draw the circle in this point to this point. Simply trim this line, extra line. Simply copy this one again from this point to this point. Move this one little bit up, then copy this. Just to draw the base. Now simply draw the line from here to here and trim this one. Okay, so this is the base, so simply mirror this one, type mi. Now simply move this little bit this side. Okay, now select this one and simply draw like this and extend this, trim this one. Okay, move little bit. Okay, now what we'll do, simply copy this one, select this point and simply click it here, this point. So this is your compressor, and simply draw here control panel of compressor. So simply draw one rectangle here, this is the control panel and this is the axis. Center point, and now copy these two, both you have to copy, select this point and simply click it here. So these two are the compressor of this machine. You can see here this is the compressor showing. Now the next is this blower fan. We have to draw the blower fan, and this showing this evaporator coil. So for the evaporator coil, what we'll do, simply draw the rectangle like this, drag this line and draw it here. Now this time what we'll do, simply select this one and go to the property, change the layer line type, go to the properties, and here you have to change this to dash. Okay, and change the color also, so make this color as a white. Now this is your coil, evaporator coil. Okay, now the next is blower fan, so we have to draw the blower also. Simply you have to take one line like this and draw one line here, this without dimension. We select this one and change the layer type, so make it by current and match this one with this match. Now what we will do, simply take the one line, match this one, select this and go to the properties, simply draw the circle. Make it by layer. Okay, so you can see here we have already make the rectangle. Now this time what we will do, we have already draw the circle, so we have to offset this one, offset 40 mm outside. Okay, and next one is we have to draw this one. So for this one what we will do, simply draw one line from here to here. Okay, and now you have to draw one more line like this, and this line should be in dash. So what we will do, simply use the match command, select this one, simply match this. Okay, so the next is this arc we have to draw. Now to draw this arc, simply draw the circle like this. You have to use the arc command and draw the arc like this without dimension. You can see this is your arc. And now what you will do, simply trim this line. Okay, so this is your blower fan. Now simply what you will do, simply select this one, or you have to use the match command to select the source object and match this two line. This is showing the axis of the blower. Okay, so next is you have to draw one more circle here. Simply draw with free hand this without a scale like this, and copy again this one down and simply trim this. This is inside actually is not required actually, this is not required to draw as per the scale, because the scale is not given, dimension is not given, so we have to draw simply to understand. Okay, now this is the belt you need to draw one more circle, a small circle inside. Okay, the next one is you have to draw this. Check this, go to the object snap, you can see here this all is selected, so it's good. Now we have to simply draw the line from here to here. Okay, so this is the tangent, so this is fine actually. Okay, so this is your pulley, and it has to be shown in dotted line, so simply select this, all this one is inside, and go to this properties and change it to dash. Okay, now simply use match command, type MA and select all. Okay, so your blower and pulley is ready. Now we have to show the dimension only, so we have to show the dimension as well as we have to show the arrow also. Now what you will do, simply select this arrow, copy this one, and you have to rotate this, type RO, select this one down like this, and move this side down. Okay, and then copy this one. Okay, again select this, and because it is supply, so you have to change the color from here as a green, because this is the supply here. And now what you will do, simply copy this one, so copy down here. Now what you will do this time, you have to mirror this one, so simply type MI and mirror this. Again type MI, select object, mirror, then this type you have to enter yes. Then you have to again copy this one down. Okay, now you have to select this and change the color, go to the properties, and here you can find the color and you have to change it as a rate, because this is the return here. Okay, so this is the supplier and this is the return here. Now what you will do, you have to select this one, select this dimension and go to this layer property, click here at to make this command in current layer, and now simply we have to show the dimensions. So you can see here this dimension is showing, so we have to show the dimension now. So for the linear dimension, the shortcut key is DLI. Simply select this point and select this point, simply draw it up, select this one and select this one, simply upside, and select this point, select this point and click this side. So you can see here we have already drawn. So simply what we will do, simply this, I think this is the dimension is little bit bigger, so we have to go to the dimension setting, go to modify and go to the text, and you have to decrease to 150 and arrow size is 100 mm, or change the text size is to 120. Simply click OK, then set current layer, close. You can see this dimension is going to be decreased little bit. Okay, so next dimension is, it's already shown, so height of this one, this fan. What you'll do, simply type DLI, from here to here, this side. So your this, and now what you will do, simply before doing the dimension, simply copy this one, make it first block, erase this one, erase all the dimension. Before doing dimension, you have to make this one, select this one and change it to block. You can see this without block. If you see the, if you are going to select the any component or any line, it is going to be selected individually. After making the block, see the whole dimension, whole system is going to be selected. So what you will do, you have to select and change it to the block. So the shortcut keys of block command is simply select this one and type Control Shift C, select any point and again type Control Shift V. It is going to be converted into the block. See, this is selecting the individually. Now it's converted into the block. If you want to select, it will select the whole. So it has been changed into the block. Okay, so simply erase this one and move this one. Now simply select this, click this point, click it here, remove this one, select this point, move it here, and now again move up. Okay, so now again you have to do the dimensioning, type DLI. Okay, okay, so I think you learn how to draw this elevation. So this is the side elevation. So what we'll do, simply type text and write here text, side elevation, side elevation, side elevation. So it is showing a small. So what we will do, we have to select this, go to the ST text style, Now you can see here in the text style you need to create new text. Simply click OK, then select this one, then provide the here height. So 150 is the text height and width is 0.5. Width is 0.5. Simply click apply, then set current, then close. Now simply select this, erase. Now what you will do, simply type text. Now you can type this text here, side elevation. Okay, and this is the top view. Simply select this, simply double click to edit, and right now top view. You can see here this is the top view and this is the side elevation. It's ready now. So I think this video is going to be long, so similarly you can draw and try to draw this front elevation. It's very easy. You simply draw this, make in rectangle and simply offset this one. Take the center line and simply offset this. So thank you for watching my video. Once again I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed, because we need to use the same drawing in the actual project. You can see here, let me open this and you can see here how I used this. So you can see this is the actual project and this is substation. We actually designed this one and its same has been installed at site. You can see, if you want to see here, this is the top view and this is the return duct. It's red color. You can see the size and flow is also given, and this is the supply. So this is the top view. If you want to see from the side, the section A, you see here, this is the section A. If you cut this building from this side and you want to see what's from this side, it looks like this. So this is the section of the machine. See, this is the section of the machine, and this is the supply duct and this is the return duct, and this is the flexible connection. So the same thing I have drawn here. This is section view of the machine, and same machine, and you can use in the actual practice. And this bottom is showing the plinth. Actually this is made by civil people. This is made with concrete, so we can draw the plinth also. So I hope you guys learn how to draw the top view and side view of the package AC unit. Similarly, you can draw the any machine from the catalog. Each and every catalog, the machine dimension is given, so you can draw the any machine and use in the actual practice using this project. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. We have to meet in the next tutorial. The next tutorial will be the complete design of VRF system in AutoCAD, some complete drafting and designing of VRF system for G+5 building. So don't forget to watch my next tutorial. So thank you. Bye bye.